In this video, we are going to show you how to build a landing page using block patterns on WordPress.com. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So let's start. This is our experimental site built on WordPress.com. You can also launch a website on WordPress.com in minutes. We'll provide the link in the video description. Now to create our landing page, let's visit our WP admin dashboard. On the left side menu, hover your mouse over Pages, and then click Add Page. Alright, after this, we are going to add a title to this page. We are going to call this page Landing Page. The next thing that we are going to do is click over here, or we can hit Enter on keyboard. Now we are going to use block patterns to build this page. What we're going to do is click on this plus button over here, and click on this Patterns tab. We can see there are a lot of block pattern categories over here. From all these patterns, we are going to choose the hero section. And we can see there are a lot of pattern templates available. We're going to drag this section and simply drop it over here. And this is our hero block pattern. We're going to remove this part just by clicking on it, clicking on these three dots, and then clicking on delete. Now this is our hero section. To change any of these or edit any of these, we can simply click on it. For example, if we want to change the image, we can click on this replace button. We can open our media library, or we can upload from our computer. We can change these texts if we want, add a link to this button, or change the text of this button quite easily. Now the next thing that we are going to create is a review section. So we're going to simply scroll down, and we are going to head over to the featured section. Here there are a lot of featured sections. From here we are going to grab this reviews pattern. We're going to grab it and drop it over here. Now you can see that there is really low space between these two sections. To increase the space, we are going to add a block called spacer. For that, we're going to go to the block section. We are going to scroll down, grab this spacer from here, and drop it over here. Now you can see there's some space between these two sections. Then we are going to scroll down, and since it's a review section, let's add some images here. So what we are going to do is, while having this selected, we are going to click on Add Image. We're going to open our media library and select this image like so. And for this particular section, we're going to click on Add Image, open Media Library, and select this image, and click on Select. Now we have this featured or reviews section. Then we are going to scroll down and add another spacer. And then we are going to create a pricing section. So we're going to go to the Patterns tab, and from here, we are going to choose the pricing pattern section. We're going to scroll down over here, and here's the pricing. We're going to choose this pattern. So let's grab it and drop it over here. And this is our pricing section. As you know, you can easily update any of these texts, and you can update the button links and text very easily. So after that, we are going to scroll down again, go to the block section, and add another spacer. And then we're going to go back to the Patterns tab and create a call to action section. For that, we are going to scroll down over here and select the uncategorized. And from here, if we scroll down over here and click on this arrow, so there are more patterns over here as well. Now from all these patterns, we are going to select this one. So we're going to drag it and drop it over here. Okay, now we have a call to action section. Now what we're going to do is close all of these up, have one last look at everything that we've just created. Now let's click on the publish button, and let's publish it. Great, it's published. Now let's view the page. And this is how it looks like. We have a hero section with an image on the left side, some text over here, and a button. Then we have the review section. We have the plans section. And we also have a call to action section. So that is how you can create a landing page in WordPress.com using block patterns. Try building your landing page using patterns and test different combinations. This way you can get a clean visual layout quickly. Now let's take a look at the pricing of WordPress.com. So we're here in the pricing page and you can see there are several plans. From this drop down, you can select how you want to pay. You can pay monthly, yearly, pay every 2 years, or pay every 3 years. If you pay every 3 years, this will give you the maximum amount of discount. Now the plans start from personal, premium, business, commerce, and enterprise. The personal plan is normally $9 per month, but you can see that the pay yearly is being selected, so we can get a 55% discount. It's available at $4 per month, which is billed every 12 months. With this plan, you get 6 GB storage, unlimited pages, posts, users, and visitors, free domain for 1 year, ad-free browsing experience for your visitors, dozens of premium themes, support from the expert team, stats, and you can also install plugins. The premium plan, which is the popular, is normally $18 per month, but with a 55% discount, it's available at $8. With it, you get 13 GB storage. You also get customized fonts and colors site-wide. You can connect to Google Analytics and also upload videos. The business plan is normally $40 per month, but with a 37% discount, it's available for $25 per month. Billed every 12 months. With it, you can get 50 GB storage. You can also increase your storage, but that will increase your price as well. With it, you get SFTP, SSH, WP CLI, Git commands, and GitHub deployments. The commerce plan is perfect for WooCommerce or e-commerce websites. Normally, it's $70 per month. But with a 35% discount, you get it for $45 only. And like the business plan, you can choose your storage from here and it will also increase the price. And with it, you get e-commerce tools and optimized WooCommerce experience. The enterprise plan is from WordPress VIP, which starts at $25,000 a year. This is for enterprise level websites and companies such as Slack, Samsung, USA Today, Vox Media, Meta, Time use this plan. So these were the pricing plans of WordPress.com. Now with that being said, we have reached the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.